Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best booster pump is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a sparkling clean swimming pool, ensuring your robotic pool cleaner operates at peak efficiency to tackle debris, algae, and dirt, thereby saving you time and effort in pool maintenance. Number 5. Pentair Letro Booster Hose Kit, New Version. Introducing the new version of the Pentair Letro Booster Hose Kit. This essential accessory is designed for optimal performance and durability. Ensure your pool system runs efficiently with this upgraded hose kit. It's built to last and provide reliable service. Designed for straightforward installation, you can have it set up and working in no time. Get back to enjoying your pool faster. Crafted with high-quality materials, this kit offers exceptional durability. You can count on it for consistent performance season after season. Make the smart choice for your pool maintenance. This new version provides enhanced functionality and peace of mind. What we like. This is the new version of a popular hose kit. It comes with all the necessary hoses and adapters for a straightforward setup. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution for your pool cleaner, this is a great choice. What people say. Plenty of length to cover both sides for my layout and pretty easy to get attached to both the pump and the pipes. Exact fit with all the connectors. Had some left over too. Nice sturdy connection, will not come apart under pressure. Much sturdier than the original. Number 4. Hayward W360600 0.75 HP Booster Pump. Introducing the Hayward W36060 Booster Pump. It's Energy Star certified, offering significant energy savings by using up to 35% less electricity compared to other pumps. This pump is ideal for all pressure cleaners that require a booster pump. It's designed to meet your cleaning needs effectively. Experience exceptionally quiet performance thanks to its advanced design. You'll barely notice it's running while it keeps your pool clean. Installation and service are made simple with included 1-1-2 pipe unions and 3-4 hose fittings. Getting it set up is a breeze. Its tall mounting base ensures better motor ventilation and protection from potential damage like flooding. This design enhances its longevity. What we like. This booster pump is Energy Star certified, offering significant energy savings. It also boasts exceptionally quiet performance and includes everything needed for easy installation. If you prioritize energy efficiency and a peaceful pool environment, this is the pump for you. What people say. This pump is very quiet, no louder than my main pool pump, which is very pleasant compared to how loud my PB4SQ was getting as it failed. It came with everything I needed to switch over. My Polaris was wired for 220V and this was pre-wired for 220V as well, but looked super easy to switch to 110V thanks to the jumper. It is immediately quieter than the Pentair, which wasn't loud, but I could hear it working without going right up to it. Now I have to walk right up to the unit. Number 3. Waterway Plastics 0.75 horsepower Universal Booster Pump. Introducing the Waterway Plastics Universal Booster Pump. It's designed to be the best replacement for any 0.75 horsepower booster pump you might have. This pump features a tall, versatile mounting base, making installation a breeze. It's suitable for all swimming pool pressure cleaners. Experience top-tier performance with this unit. It maintains one of the highest head pressures in the industry, ensuring efficient operation. Looking for a reliable replacement? This 0.75 horsepower booster pump is the perfect solution for your swimming pool needs. Upgrade your swimming pool pressure cleaner with this powerful booster pump. Enjoy enhanced performance and reliability for your pool maintenance. What we like. This universal booster pump is designed as a top replacement for most 0.75 horsepower models. It maintains one of the highest head pressures in the industry and features a versatile mounting base. If you need a powerful and adaptable replacement for your current booster pump, consider this option. What people say. Easy to install and works great. Quiet. Easy replacement for Pentair at less than half the price. Initial quality seems good. It's quiet. I can't hear it over the main pump, which makes normal sound, so you can't tell when it's on or off. Highly recommend. This booster pump was bought in May 2021. Stopped working December 5, 2023, 2 years and 7 months. No refund. Number 2. Hayward AX6060A Pool Cleaner Volute Replacement. This is a replacement volute designed for specific Hayward pool cleaners and booster pumps. Ensure compatibility with your model before purchase. It is designed to fit Hayward Phantom Turbo and Vio Turbo in-ground pool pressure cleaner models. This includes the 6000B, 6000 BBK, 5500 TC, and 5500 TCBK. Additionally, this part is compatible with the booster pump model 6060. It provides a direct replacement for the original component. For added versatility, the volute can be reoriented in the field. This allows for a horizontal discharge configuration to suit your setup. This replacement part weighs approximately 2.8 pounds. It's a durable component built to last for your pool maintenance needs. What we like. This is a specific volute replacement part for select Hayward pool cleaners and booster pumps. It offers the flexibility to be reoriented for horizontal discharge. If you have one of the compatible Hayward models and need to replace just the volute, this is the precise part you'll need. What people say. This pump is a game changer for my pool cleaner. It has significantly increased the suction power, allowing my cleaner to navigate the pool floor and walls with ease. The installation was straightforward, and it fits perfectly with my existing setup. I've noticed a dramatic improvement in the cleanliness of my pool since using this booster pump. The design of this booster pump is quite robust. It's made of durable materials that seem like they will last for a long time. The operation is surprisingly quiet, which is a big plus. It effectively boosts the performance of my pool cleaner, ensuring that even stubborn debris is picked up. My pool has never looked better. I was impressed by the efficiency of this pump. It provides a consistent and powerful flow, which is essential for my automatic pool cleaner to function at its best. The compact size makes it easy to integrate into my pool system without taking up too much space. Overall, a great addition for maintaining a sparkling clean pool. Number 1. Pentair LA01N Single Speed Booster Pump. Introducing the Pentair LA01N, a single-speed booster pump designed to power your pressure-side pool cleaner. It's built for durability and long-lasting performance. Constructed from corrosion-proof materials, this pump is engineered to withstand harsh pool environments. It delivers a robust 50 psi at 12 GPM for efficient cleaning. This versatile booster pump is compatible with a range of popular pool cleaners, including the Legend Platinum and Legend Platinum Truck series. Ensure your cleaner operates at peak performance. Get your pool cleaner up and running quickly. This package includes the necessary hose and adapters for a straightforward installation. Measuring 16 inches in length, 9 to 14 inches in width, and 10 inches in height, it offers a compact design without compromising on power. Enjoy a cleaner pool with ease. What we like. Constructed from durable, corrosion-proof materials, this single-speed booster pump delivers impressive PSI and GPM. It comes complete with the necessary hose and adapters for compatible cleaners. If you need a robust and high-performing pump for your Legend series cleaner, this is an excellent fit. What people say. Installed and runs like a champ. This pump is an exact replacement. It functions great, is not noisy as my previous pump had become, and is very competitively priced. Works great. Quiet operation and relatively easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.